Today I'm making a whole chicken shawarma style. It's perfect because it's ready in under 45 minutes. I serve it with some dips and some pita, but you can do whatever you choose. The best part is the skin is crispy, the interior is juicy, and it's a perfect weeknight dinner because usually roasting a chicken takes so long, and this is only 45 minutes. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it. I did brine my chicken for 12 hours, which I do recommend if you have time. I included my brine recipe in the description area, but if you don't have time, don't worry about it. I've done it both ways and they both came out great. You'll want to start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're then making an herbed butter that will go under the skin of our chicken and over the skin of our chicken that will give it such a beautiful and delicious taste. Our rub has softened butter, olive oil, shawarma seasoning, crushed garlic, salt, and some chopped parsley. I'm also adding in the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of a lemon. Combine until everything, especially the lemon juice, is fully incorporated and set aside. If you brined your chicken, pat the skin dry. Removing the moisture helps the skin get nice and crispy. I'm going to spatchcock the chicken, which is what speeds up the cooking time. You're going to cut right next to the spine on both sides to remove the spine. Normally, I would use a kitchen scissor, but it has mysteriously disappeared somehow. The joys of parenting. Carefully remove both sides and either toss the spine, or I recommend reserving it to make a really great broth. You're then going to open the rib cage by using your knife to cut down the sternum. This helps you flatten the chicken out. I then cleaned the inside a bit and then seasoned it with about a tablespoon of my herbed seasoned butter. I'm using chopped white onion to create a barrier between my chicken and the pan. It also gives great flavor to our sauce that's going to form on the bottom of our pan while we're roasting our chicken. Place your chicken breast side up and firmly push over the breast to make sure your chicken is completely flat. Carefully separate the skin from the meat over the breast, thigh, and drumstick area, and spread your herbed butter under the skin, making sure to move it down using your fingers. You're going to repeat the same process with your thighs and drumsticks. Make sure to reserve about 1/3 of your butter spread just to coat your chicken before baking. Tuck in your wings just to prevent them from burning while roasting, and then spread that reserved herbed butter all over the top and side of your chicken, trying to make sure to spread it evenly and cover as much area as you can. Bake it uncovered at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, or until your instant read thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit on the thigh or the thickest part of your chicken. Keep in mind that it will continue cooking another 5 degrees or so while it's resting. Make sure that you let it rest for at least 15 minutes uncovered before digging in so you don't lose all those delicious juices that we worked so hard for. All those seasoning, onions, and juices have made the most delicious sauce on the bottom of your pan. Let's dig in and look at how juicy this chicken is. The skin is crispy, the interior is juicy, and it's just perfect, ready in 45 minutes, which you can't beat, honestly. I plated mine with some hummus and garlic sauce, some tabbouleh and pita, and it was just perfect. And there's so many options. You can serve it with rice. You can serve it just with a salad. It's just perfection. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit.